Hey standouters, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how you can become an affiliate marketer with Standout and start making at least $5,000 a month in revenue. So let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is sign up as an affiliate with Standout. Now you can join the link in the description, or you can scroll through the Standout website. Go to the bottom, on the footer you'll find a link called as Become an Affiliate. Click on that link and you will be able to sign up for free and become an affiliate with Standout. How cool is that? Step number 2. Once you sign up as an affiliate with Standout, you would get your affiliate referral ID. That's going to be the ID which would appear on your dashboard right after the website URL. Use that referral ID and put it across any of the products that you want to promote at Standout. So let's say you want to promote the website builder. Well, that's cool. Go to the website builder URL, put in your referral ID and share that URL with anyone, anywhere you want to promote. So as anyone purchases the product using your URL, you're going to get a commission right in your affiliate dashboard. Currently, we are offering 30% commission on sales for all our products, meaning that if you're selling our Digital Millionaire Bootcamp for $997, you earn $300 straight in your account by just referring people. How cool is that? And the best part about this is you don't need a landing page, you don't need a sales funnel. All you need to do is use the URL and start promoting as Standout partners. And as anyone purchases, you're going to get commissions right in your affiliate dashboard. Now you can do this for any of the products. You can sell the website builder, the growth hacking course, the Digital Millionaire Bootcamp, whatsoever you see on Standout. And we're consistently adding new products every now and then, so just watch out. Now the question you would have is, how do I sell? Well, I'm going to share with you 3 amazing ways using which you can sell products at Standout for free. Number 1, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is where the money is today. Go to LinkedIn, create your profile if you don't have a profile, and start building connections. Now let's say you want to sell the Standout website builder. Go and connect with people who would like to use the Standout website builder, who would want to build websites. Who are these people? Well, people like business owners, startup founders, freelancers. All of these guys need websites to represent their business, their service, the work that they're doing. Even offline stores, retail stores, mom and pop shops. Like so many people out there who need websites. Go connect with them. Once they connect with you, send them messages on LinkedIn. Once they connect with you on LinkedIn, you can start sending them messages. LinkedIn is all about building relationships. And once they're a connection, you can start chatting with them. Tell them about the product, send them the URL, and as they sign up, you get paid straight in your affiliate dashboard. And you can do this with other products too. You just need to find the right target audience who's going to actually benefit from the products and buy these products and start engaging with them. Number 2, Kura. Kura is an amazing platform for user-generated content. There are tons of people asking questions like, how do I create websites? How do I do digital marketing? How do I grow my business? Just go and start answering those questions. And as you start answering questions, you start building a profile. You can even start referring products that stand out. And as anyone purchases the product referred by you, you get a commission straight in your dashboard. And you know what? They're all free. The best part about the affiliate portal is you can even start tracking your traffic within your affiliate dashboard. You will start observing how many people are clicking on your link, how many people are going to the products and checking out the products. So do check it out. And third and the last step is emails. Emails is free. It's the best tool out there ever. We generate 60% of our revenue just through email marketing. You can get started too for free. There's a tool called hunter.io, alright? Go check out this tool. This is a free tool through which you can hunt email addresses of websites. So let's say you want to sell the marketing course to universities. Go to the university website, put in the URL, and you will get all email addresses associated with that website. Go shoot out an email to them, personalize it, and as they make a purchase, you're going to get commission right in our affiliate dashboard. And these are the 3 free top ways using which you can start referring products at Standout and start generating revenue as an affiliate. where you can also start leveraging other platforms, other channels like Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. And if you're looking to learn more about digital marketing or even learn some amazing growth hacks using which you can start generating revenue for yourself, for your business, or even upskill in digital marketing, check out our bootcamps in the link in the description. And last but not the least, if you find this content valuable, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Cheers!